Hello and welcome back, smart learners, to another English learning journey made just for you. Today, we're diving into something super useful: travel English. Whether you're booking a flight, checking into a hotel, or just trying to find a bathroom in a new city, knowing the right words can be the difference between a smooth experience and a stressful one. English is used all over the world, in airports, train stations, and tourist areas. So if you know the right phrases, you can go almost anywhere. But we're not just learning phrases. We're learning how to use them the right way, with confidence and clarity. Let's get you travel ready, phrase by phrase. 1. Can you help me, please? This is the most universal travel phrase you'll ever need. It's simple, it's polite, and it works in almost every situation. If you ever feel lost, confused, or unsure of what to do, this phrase should be the first thing you say. Whether you're at the airport, trying to find your gate, or in a train station, not sure where to go next, just approach someone with a smile and say, "Excuse me, can you help me, please?" It's much better than just asking, "Where's the gate?" because it opens the conversation politely. People are more likely to help you when you ask nicely. You can follow it up with specific questions like, "Can you help me find the ticket counter?" Or, "Can you help me understand this map?" It's also important to use a calm, respectful tone. This phrase is magic when said the right way. 2. I'm looking for. This phrase helps you when you're trying to find something and don't know how to ask directly. You can use it with places, people, or objects. For example, "I'm looking for the central station," or "I'm looking for my hotel, the Grand Plaza." You can even ask for items. "I'm looking for bottled water," or "I'm looking for a phone charger." It's much more polite and flexible than saying, "Where is," and it allows for natural follow-up. You can add more details, if needed, like, "I'm looking for a vegetarian restaurant nearby." Tourists often forget to add context. But if you say what you're looking for in this way, people will usually give you helpful directions or suggestions. 3. How much does it cost? Money matters, especially when you're traveling on a budget. So knowing how to ask about prices the right way is essential. "How much does it cost?" is a polite, clear, and internationally understood phrase. Use it for anything: train tickets, food, souvenirs, or hotel rooms. For example, "How much does it cost to take a taxi to the airport?" You can also shorten it for casual situations. "How much is this?" But be careful. Don't just say money or price. Those sound too direct. In markets, especially in countries where bargaining is common, asking politely with this phrase is the key to getting a fair deal. You show you're respectful, not just a tourist looking to buy. 4. Do you speak English? Before asking a question in English, it's smart to first check if the other person understands you. Saying, Do you speak English? Politely gives the person a chance to respond and lets you know whether you can continue the conversation. Try saying, "Excuse me, do you speak English?" with a gentle tone and friendly body language. If they don't speak English, they might point you to someone who does, or you can switch to gestures or use a translation app. Avoid starting a conversation with a long English sentence before checking. It can be frustrating for both sides. This phrase is all about awareness, and it shows you respect their language and culture first. 5. I don't understand. This one is crucial. Sometimes you'll hear fast speech, unfamiliar accents, or technical vocabulary. Instead of pretending to understand, just be honest and say, "I don't understand." You can also add, "Can you repeat that, please?" Or, "Can you say it slowly?" For example, in a hotel, if the receptionist explains something complicated, you can say, "Sorry, I don't understand. Could you please repeat it?" People appreciate honesty, especially when you say it politely. Tourists often nod or say yes, even when confused, but that can lead to big problems. Speak up, ask again, and never be shy to ask for clarity. 6. Where is the nearest? This phrase saves you time and stress. You can use it to find almost anything. A bathroom, an ATM, a coffee shop, or your hotel. Just say, "Excuse me, or where's the nearest bank?" Or, "Where's the nearest metro station?" This is much smoother than just saying, "Toilet?" or "Money?" It sounds polite, and it gives you the structure to ask clearly. Learn the names of a few key places before you travel, like pharmacy, supermarket, and embassy, so you can plug them into this phrase easily. 7. Can I have? Use this anytime you're ordering food, buying tickets, or asking for something. Can I have a coffee, please? Can I have a single ticket to downtown? It's polite, it's clear, and it sounds much better than "give me." This phrase makes you sound thoughtful, not demanding. You can also use it in hotels. Can I have a room on a higher floor? Or, can I have extra towels? It's one of the most natural-sounding ways to ask for something, and it works in formal or casual situations. 8. I need help. This is your emergency phrase. It's strong, it's serious, and people will respond fast if you say it clearly. If your phone is stolen, if you're injured, or if you feel unsafe, say, "I need help." For example, "I need help. I lost my passport." Or, "I need help. I missed my train and don't know what to do." Make sure to say it in a calm but serious tone. And if you can, explain the situation afterward. It's also smart to learn this phrase in the local language for emergencies, but in most countries, "I need help" in English will still be understood. 9. Can you take a photo of me? You're on vacation. Of course you want photos. Instead of struggling with selfies, ask someone nearby. "Excuse me, can you take a photo of me?" It's polite, it's friendly, and it helps you connect with other travelers. You can also ask, "Can you take one more from this angle?" Most people are happy to help, especially when you ask kindly. This phrase is also a great way to start small conversations, especially in tourist areas, where everyone is taking pictures anyway. If you're nervous about handing over your phone, ask a family or couple. They're more likely to be trustworthy. 10. I'm just looking, thank you. When you're shopping and a salesperson approaches, use this phrase to give yourself space. Say, I'm just looking, thank you. It lets them know you're not ready to buy, but you're not being rude either. You can also say, I'll let you know if I need anything. This is especially useful in local shops or markets where sellers may be very active. It shows you're aware, polite, and not in a rush to spend money just because someone asks. It gives you the freedom to explore, compare prices, and make better choices. Final message to my beloved learners, and that wraps up our deep dive into 10 of the most useful travel phrases in English. These expressions are more than just words. They are tools to help you feel confident, connected, and respected wherever you go. Travel can be unpredictable, but with the right language, you're ready for anything. The key is not to memorize all the phrases at once, but to practice a few every day until they come out naturally. Record yourself, practice with a friend, or even talk to yourself while packing your suitcase. The more you practice, the easier communication becomes, and the more you'll enjoy your journey. Remember, language is the bridge between cultures. And with these phrases, you're building that bridge, one conversation at a time. So go out there, speak up, and make your travels unforgettable. Safe journeys, and I'll see you in the next Smart English lesson.